Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $3 less. Automotive diesel is up 45 cents and low sulfur diesel is costing 25 cents more. Kerosene is up by 25 cents. The price of propane is down $1.63 and butane will cost $1.58 less. Meanwhile, oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in July fell 42 cents to settle at $37.96 a barrel. The Financial Services Commission, FSC, is foreseeing significant hardship for pensioners due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Commission hosted a meeting of the Caribbean Association of Pensions Supervisors recently to discuss the matter. As the economy reopens, some industries are recognizing that the financial environment is more volatile than it was before the COVID-19 outbreak. The Financial Services Commission is now warning that the pensions industry is one which will have to operate under more risky circumstances.
We believe the pension industry will be altered, and some of the changes that may be expected would include an extended period of low investment returns, which will have a significant impact on how pension fund assets are managed. With lower investment returns, there are oftentimes a significant incentive towards searching for yield. And in the search for yield, pension funds may be incurring higher risks.
Executive Director of the FSC, Everton McFarlane, also admitted that it's going to cost more to plan for retirement going forward.
Pension plan members who are retiring will likely have fewer assets and could face higher cost of annuities. These are not insignificant impacts.
And although technology has become a crucial tool in the widely adapted work-from-home strategy, Mr. McFarlane says it could cause additional problems for the pensions industry.
With increased opportunities to work from home, could employers develop the view that most of their employees could now be contract workers? If so, could there be an elimination of some employee benefits, including the establishment of superannuation funds? These are issues that I believe pension supervisors need to grapple with in the new normal.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.75. The Canadian dollar is going for $105.93. The pound is going for $178.99, while the euro closed at an even $160. The JSE index gained 4,332 points today, while the junior market index is up 5 points. Among the winners were Express Catering, Salada Foods, Jetcon Corporation, 138 Student Living, and Jamaican Teas. Now on the losing side were Deramon Trading, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, Jamaica Broilers Group, and Dolphin Cove. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.